In this video, we will learn how to send Google Drive attachment in Gmail. So let's start. This is my Gmail account. Here I received one email. So here the required sales data. So I'm going to send this sales data from the Google Drive. Just click on the reply, and here you can add the sales data Excel file from your Google Drive. So bottom side here you can see the insert file using the drive. Just click on this option, and here you see the all data of Google Drive showing here. Just select your file and click on the insert. When you click on the insert, and you can send now file. Just click on the send, and here the one dialog box open. So if you want to give the as a viewer access, just click on the viewer, select here the viewer, and if you want to give them access as an editor, just click the editor. If you want to commenter, just click the commenter. Allow anyone with the link to access. You can allow the anyone to link to access, and don't give the access. You can click on this, don't give the access. Okay, I just select the first one and click on the send. So this is a way you can send any attachment from the Google Drive in Gmail. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.